Get Black Myth, Wukong Deluxe Edition for free with FundsZap. Step-by-step guide. You've seen the trailers. You've heard the buzz. Black Myth. Wukong looks incredible, but let's be real. Dropping $100 for the Deluxe Edition isn't in everyone's budget. Well, what if I told you there's a way to grab it completely free? That's right, $0. Let me show you exactly how to do it with FundsZap. First things first, let's check the game's price. As you can see, the Black Myth, Wukong Deluxe Edition is listed at $99.99. But don't worry, because I'm going to show you how to use FundsZap to reduce that price to $0. Now, head over to FundsZap.com. This is where the magic happens. On the homepage, you'll find tons of great deals, but for this video, we're focusing on Black Myth, Wukong. Just type the name into the search bar and select the Deluxe Edition coupon page. Here's the key. Scroll down to where it says Show Game Code. You'll notice the code is locked, but don't worry, we'll unlock it in just a couple of minutes. To unlock the code, FundsZap requires you to complete 2 quick tasks. These tasks are straightforward. Things like downloading apps or completing specific actions in games. For example, I downloaded Travel Town and reached level 9, and I also tried Family Island and got to level 8. Choose tasks that are fast and easy for you. The apps and tasks may vary depending on your location, but they're all simple to complete. In total, it took me about 3 minutes. Once you've completed the tasks, head back to FundsZap and refresh the page. Click Show Game Code, and boom, your unique coupon code is revealed. Copy the code, paste it into Steam, PlayStation, or Xbox, and that's it. You've just unlocked the Deluxe Edition for free. And yes, this code works across all platforms. There you have it. Black Myth, Wukong Deluxe Edition for free, thanks to FundsZap. Don't forget to act fast. These codes are limited. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more gaming tips, and drop a comment if you successfully got your copy. See you in the next video.